morning one and all. Today I am going to teach about a problem on DIT algorithm. The question is, find the DFT of the given sequence x of n is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 3, 2, 1. Using DIT FFT algorithm, find x of k. Here the value of n is 8, that is we have 8 elements, that is the length of the sequence is 8. The value of n is equal to 8. We know the general butterfly structure for 8-point DFT in DIT algorithm is this one. The general butterfly structure for DIT algorithm for the value n is equal to 8 is this one. This is the general butterfly structure diagram. So you draw first this diagram. Previously in the DIT algorithm we have seen how to draw this diagram. So first draw this butterfly structure diagram. So here we will take the input in bit reversal order. That is, first even values we will take, then we will take the odd values. The output will be taken in the normal order, that is x of 0, x of 0, x of 1, x of 2, x of 3, x of 4, x of 5, x of 6, x of 7. So the output will be in the normal order. Here we have in the center we have total factors w8 power 0, w8 power 1, w8 power 2, w8 power 3. The formula to find the value of total factor is w8 power 0 can be written as e power minus j2 pi divided by 8 into 0, that is e power 0 is equal to 1. So w8 power 0 value is 1. Okay, you write here as 1. And w8 power 1, by the formula we can write it as e power minus j2 pi divided by 8 into 1, that value is cos 2 pi divided by 8 minus j sin 2 pi divided by 8. This value you can put it in calculator, cos 2 pi divided by 8, and you can directly find the value, that is 0.707 minus j 0.707. So you can write here as 0.707 minus j 0.707. Okay. Next, similarly w8 square is equal to minus j, so you can write here minus j, and w8 power 3 value is minus 0.707 minus j 0.707. Like this way you can find the values for w8 power 0, w8 power 1, w8 power 2, w8 power 3. Now we can do the problem. We can compute the values in the first stage now. This is the first stage. You know that x of 0 equal to 1, x of 2 equal to 3, x of 3 is equal to 4, x of 4 is equal to 4, x of 5 is equal to 3, x of 6 equal to 2, x of 7 equal to 1. So write all the values. Now you can compute the values. See, in this first stage, the first line value is 1. Okay, the value of first line is 1. Here you have to draw these arrows also, like this way. So first line value is 1 and the arrow comes from the second line value is 4. So 1 plus 4, that is equal to 5. Similarly for the second line value is 4. Here we have minus 1. So 4 into minus 1 is, you have to multiply this minus 1, so minus 4. And the value of first line, the arrow comes from the first line, plus 1, that is equal to minus 3. Okay. Then say third line, here the value of first line is, that is the value of third line is 3 and the value of fourth line is 2. The arrow comes from the fourth line, that is 2. So 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. Okay, the next fourth line. So the value of fourth line is 2 into minus 1. So that is minus 2. 2 into minus 1 is minus 2 plus that 3. So you will get 1. Minus 2 plus 3 is 1. So the answer is 1. So similarly for fifth line, here the value of this line is 2 and here the value of sixth line is 3, so plus 3. So you will get 5. So the answer is 5. Next, similarly for sixth line, here the value of this line is 3 into minus 1. The value of this line, you have to multiply this minus 1. So 3 into minus 1 is minus 3 plus that 2. The arrow comes from the fifth line, so that value is 2. So minus 3 plus 2 is equal to minus 1. Okay, now next, here the value of this line is 4 and the arrow comes from here, so it is 1. 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. So next, our last line, here this line value is 1 into minus 1. Eighth line value is 1 into minus 1, that is minus 1. 4 plus 4, that is equal to 3. So we have found the answer for the first stage. Now we can compute the values for the second stage. For the second stage, these values are the input. For the second stage, first stage output are the input for the second stage. So you can take the first line. Here the first line value is 5 and this arrow comes from this line, that is third line. So the value of third line is 5. So 5 plus 5 is equal to 10. Okay. Similarly in second line, the value is minus 3. Second line value, that is the output of first stage is minus 3 and this arrow comes from here, that is fourth line. Fourth line we have the answer 1. 1 into this 2-del factor, that is minus j. 1 into this 2-del factor is minus j. Okay. Next here the arrows comes from the first line, so 5 and here we have the value 5. 5 into 1 is 1. This one also you have to multiply it. And here also we have minus 1. So 5 into minus 1 is minus 5, that is equal to 0. Similarly next line, this arrow comes from the second line, that is minus 3 and here also you have values, that is 1 into, you have to multiply this 2-del factor and this minus 1 also you have to multiply, that is 1 into minus j is minus j into minus 1 is plus j. So you will get minus 3 plus j as answer. So next we have to come to fifth line. In fifth line the value of fifth line is 5 and this arrow comes from the seventh line. Seventh line the value is 5, that is 5. 5 into 1. This one also you have to multiply. So 5 into 1 is 5. So you have to add 5 plus 5 is equal to 10. Similarly sixth line. Sixth line the value is, here the value is minus 1 and this arrow comes from the eighth line. Here you have this 3 and minus j. So 3 into minus j is minus 3j. So minus 3j. Next you have to compute the for seventh line. Seventh line, the line comes from the fifth line, so 5 and the seventh line value, that is 5 into 1 is 5. Again 5 into minus 5 is minus 5. So the value is 5 minus 5 is 0. Again now eighth line the value the line comes from the sixth line, that is the value is minus 1. Here we can get the value as 3. 3 into minus j is minus j. 3 into minus j is minus 3j. Minus 3j into minus 1 is plus 3j. Okay, 3 into minus j is minus 3j, minus 3j into minus 1 is plus 3j. So our answer is minus 3j, minus 1 plus 3j. Now this is the answer for our second stage. Now we have to compute the next stage, that is third stage, in the next class. That's all. Thank you.